Hello guys, welcome to another brand new Forex trading video. I hope you all are well and taking care of yourself. Today we will catch a very good move in New Zealand dollar versus US dollar. Now we apply the trade where we will get good profit because we are getting entry at the right place. With this we can manage the risk to reward ratio well. You should always know the loss before applying the trade. See you guys after some time. Guys, we have $4,000 in this account which needs to be grown with proper risk management and psychology. Currently we are losing $900. Let's see when this loss converts into profit. Now I will explain you why I have placed a buying trade here. The market is moving here, creating random uptrend and downtrend patterns, but a good opportunity for buying has been created here now, where we have taken the entry. Here we will first create an uptrend channel which will let you know the trend of the market. The market is moving upwards, taking support on this trend line, due to which higher low points are created here. We will connect all these points properly with the trend line. This trend line is important for us. The second trend line will be connected with the same angle at higher high points. This trend line is acting as a resistance. In future, whenever the market comes near this trend line, it will reverse downwards. The market is following this uptrend channel very well, due to which the market is moving upwards, creating proper higher high higher low points. Now we will create a strong reversal level here. This will help us to know the exact reversal level of the market. For this I am using the rectangle tool. The market has created multiple support resistance points at this level. Here the market has created a resistance become support pattern, which is a strong pattern for uptrend. Whenever the market moves upwards, it will move upwards, creating this pattern, from which we can guess that the market is in a strong uptrend. The market has created such patterns earlier also, where the market has followed the pattern of strong uptrend. The market has created a same pattern at this level, where the market first took resistance and later broke this level to form support, due to which a resistance become support pattern has been created here. A similar level has been created towards the bottom. Here the market has created the same pattern, resistance and support pattern. This tells us that the market is following this trend channel very well. This type of pattern gives us very good buying opportunities because we know the direction of the market, so we can catch big moves. Our entry here is correct. The chances of the market going up from here are quite high because all our levels have been drawn perfectly. Our analysis work is complete. Now we place stop loss and profit target. My stop loss will be below the strong support resistance level and slightly outside the trend channel, which is 6 pip below. If the market breaks this trend channel, then a very good selling opportunity will be created here, and profit target will be 12 pip above, where the market can make a new higher high or above this. Here I am using the risk to reward ratio of 1:2, which I always use. Guys, our loss has reduced slightly from $900 to $500. We will not close the trade until the market hits either the stop loss or the target. Guys, all our work is complete. Now we have to follow the trading process. Only then we will be able to reach our target. Because after applying the trade we have to keep our psychology strong. Only with strong psychology big targets can be achieved. Many setups will be created in the market, but you have to trade in the same setup which you have been following for a long time. In this way your confidence in trading will increase. See you guys after some time. Till then you can like the video and subscribe to the channel.
Gonna die on this hill. Be ready to fight and be ready to kill. You cannot stop me, I'ma make it to the top, spicy. Call a covenant, not cocky. You cannot break me, this world's mine for the taking. Got an itch, man, I'm making. I'll keep my head down and grind and be patient. I'll take a step at the top and ascending. They can all try, but you cannot contain it. Cause I see the things that I want and I take on my goals. Push myself to the brink, no limit. Do what it takes to be free, committed. I'm a little obsessed with things, I'll admit it, but that's what it takes to get a freedom.
Beautiful move, guys. The market has hit the target very well here. Our analysis was correct, which gave us the move in our direction. We were confident about our setup, which helped us reach our target. The market went straight up here. We get to see such a move only rarely because the market slowly moves upwards, making proper higher highs and higher lows. Our profit target was at this level, which has been hit right now. The market is moving up very fast here. We can expect more move than this. Here buyers have a lot of dominance over sellers, due to which sellers are losing. Now I will tell you after further analysis that from where the market can reverse. For this I am using rectangle tool. At this level the market has again created a resistance become support pattern, which is a strong pattern of uptrend. The market has been moving upwards, creating similar patterns for a long time. The market has followed our uptrend channel very well. From the way we have drawn the levels, we can easily know about the strong trend of the market. Now we close the trade, our goal has been achieved. Guys, our profit is currently around $5,800. We had deposited $4,000 in this account, which has now grown to $10,000. All this can be done with the help of proper technical analysis and correct risk management. If you have gained even a little knowledge from this video, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. See you guys in the next video. Always keep learning, keep moving forward.